So let's fill in here 28. Again, like we did before, let's start out by just placing our math toys into the play space to get our value of 28.
All right. So last time we knew what 15 milliliters looks like, a tablespoon. So let's try to take this shortcut. So we know we have a tablespoon right here, or 3 teaspoons. And 3 teaspoons equals 15 milliliters. So we know we can fit that in there. So how about we slide these 3 pieces in there? I'll label them as they enter. So it'll be 5 milliliters, 10 milliliters, and then 15 milliliters. All right. Now we know we can't add another half to that because then those 15 milliliters will equal 30 milliliters, and we don't want that. We want 28. Do we have takeaway blocks like this?
Not right now. Let's just place them with our
right.
regular place pieces.
All right, we'll keep it simple then. All right. So before we get on the fancy stuff, we can't add another 3 or make it 2 tablespoons because that'd equal 30 milliliters. That's over. We want 28. So that means we'll keep on adding individual blocks. So we know that if we add another one, it'll be 20 milliliters because we're counting by fives within each individual block, which also represents a teaspoon. So then we'd have our 4 teaspoons would be 20 milliliters.
Mm-hmm.
We'd add another, I keep doing that, but then we'll add another individual teaspoon block. That'd be 25. We can't add any more because that'd go over, that'd be 30. So with that, that means we gotta move on to our smaller individual pieces. So I'm trying to get these in. All right. So with that being said, let's move over to our smaller pieces. 25, 26, 27, 28. We only need 3 more milliliters left. So let's take these. This will represent an individual milliliter. We'll just drag that above the 25. And then we'll just add 2 more. So now we have 26. And then we have 27. And then we have, one more would be 28 milliliters. Or another, I hate doing that. I keep forgetting to do that.
It's okay. Go ahead and annotate it like this.
Yeah, but that means we have a tablespoon. All right. I don't know if I wrote that right. But tablespoon, 2 teaspoons, and 3 milliliters. So
Perfect.
now we can draw that out. Come on. Oh man. I was about to say I know I can keep it straight, but I tried. All right. So just based off of our previous equation that we did with our beacon, we can already see that we have 5 tablespoons, or, well, in 28 milliliters, we know we can have 5 tablespoons. So,
How many tablespoons?
I said 5 tablespoons. 5 teaspoons, my bad.
5 teaspoons. Got it.
5 teaspoons. So, with that, what we'll do is make sure we have 5 semi squares. So we have 2 right now, 3, 4, and then we have our 5. Now we need to note down our 3 additional milliliters because right now we have 25. So what we'll do is we'll draw the individual little drops. So that'd be 1 milliliter, 2 milliliters, and then we have our 3 additional milliliters to give us 28 milliliters in total.
Perfect. This looks great. And in the future, one more note about these dots, try to color them in too so that in the future we don't confuse them with takeaway pieces, okay?
Well, I wonder if I'm provided with a bucket. I am not provided with a bucket. Okay. It'd be nice.
No, I don't think so. Just remind me again, how many tablespoons are in 28 milliliters?
There is 1 tablespoon in 28 milliliters, and there are 2 teaspoons and 3 milliliters.
Very good. And how many how many teaspoons in total are inside of 28?
5 teaspoons.
Perfect. And then we have 3 milliliters left over.
I misstated how many teaspoons were after tablespoon. I didn't make sure I just said 2. Probably said 3. But it's a tablespoon, 2 teaspoons, and 3 milliliters.
Perfect.